This is Video 2 for Information Technology 2. I'll be talking about Module 9 of Access, which discusses administering a database system. The table of contents include my interests and why I chose Module 9, the similarities between the module and the reality, the differences between the module and reality, Access versus MongoDB, conclusion, and works cited. My interest in entrepreneurship and starting a business is why I chose Module 9 of Access. The importance of administering properly databases and client information is essential for keeping things organized and protected. Knowing how to properly organize and protect data will minimize the future security-related issues and increase productivity by reducing the amount of time wasted looking for errors. This is why Module 9 is interesting and will be useful in the future, as I will certainly be administering or be part of assuring my client data is secure and protected. Taking a quick look at Module 9, you can see here on figure 969 and 970 how Access allows users to simply encrypt databases with a password. The password is of your choice. It is also very simple for the user to unencrypt the database and to remove the password. This is a simple step that is essential for most databases and ensures the safety of private information within the file. This next figure, 974, shows the different and more specific options related to protection. Here you can see the options to lock records within the database, which is useful when multiple users are editing the database. As an administrator, you can make records exclusive, which means only one person at a time can edit. The administrator can also lock certain records to prevent edits to be made after yours. This figure shows another feature of Access that allows for quick, automated error identification checking. These options minimize errors and provide possible solutions and alternatives to fix them. Errors and error checking is part of the database management process because making sure all data is correct is a must in order to avoid long-term issues. Here is another very useful aspect of Access. A user can create a navigation pane and add different forms and reports in order to better organize and find data. Here, in the figure, you can see a main menu was created, and the customer table, the rep table, and queries were added to the navigation pane. When comparing Access to MongoDB, there are very clear differences. Access is a bit more complex and complete, as you can enter manually all the data, create queries, and create reports. As for MongoDB, it is very more specified in protecting and online cloud storage rather than data and form creating. The advantage of using a software like MongoDB is that you ensure that your database is very well protected, that all the information is available and backed up on the cloud. A lot more automation systems are in place, monitoring can be done in real time, and there are real-time apps available. Compared to Access, a lot of these features are not included. Was this module of Access useful? Yes, it was. It showed me how to better administer client data files. As a future entrepreneur, I now know how to better encrypt and protect data files. Access also showed me how to organize data and also how to use the automated error checking system in order to diminish errors. All of these features will be handy in the future as I start my own business. This is why it was useful and also why it is very realistic, and I do see myself using this in the future. Works cited are Shelly Cashman Microsoft Office 365 and Office 2016 Advanced, place of publication not identified, Cengage Learning 2016 print, Mongo database for giant ideas MongoDB, NPND Web 28 November 2016. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.